Greetings and welcome back to Drew's office. So we've booked our flight tickets and the details have been sent to us in this peculiar format. We can use the date function to help us format the date to the correct format. And the date function wants to know these three things: which cells contain the year, the month, and the day. Let's choose this cell here for the year, this one for the month, and this one is for the day. Click OK, and we can autofill down. And if we want the actual date of the week to appear, such as Saturday, we can create a custom format. And we might want to widen our column first. Select all the cells, and let's create a custom format. We can select any item in this list and then blank it out in this box. We will have DDD to represent 3 letters for the day, DD to represent 2 digits for the day. 4 M's means we want Excel to fully display the month, and 4 Y's to represent the year. Click OK and boom. And then we want to calculate the number of days between each flight. We can choose the days function. Check the description. The end date is this cell here, and the start date is the cell above. Autofill down. And to display the flight time correctly, we can use the time function. The hour is this cell here, and the minute. For the seconds, we can just type 0. And we can choose a custom time format. Click OK. We are done. I'm off to pack my bags. Don't want to miss my flight.